Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you a simple single-page web application for supply chain planning and optimization. I will jump right away to the app and show you an example. First of all, click on the Create New Case Study, and this will take us to this page where we define the case study metadata, such as the case study size, so the number of suppliers, number of facilities, number of markets, the time horizon, so when it starts and when it ends, and the case study name and description, of course. So let's start with the case study name. We'll give it Christmas Toys Inc. That will be the name of our company. And the case study description will be company that sells Christmas toys. Let's say it starts at 2017 and ends at 2019, so that's our planning horizon. Number of suppliers, 3 potential suppliers, 2 manufacturing facilities, and 4 markets to sell our products at. The next step is to input the data for different parts of the supply chain. So let's start with the suppliers. First, we need to specify the material price per unit. So let's say cost $10 to purchase the raw material. And the supplier, now we define the supplier name. So let's say we have a supplier in Mexico. So Mexico supplier, and it's located in Mexico City. And then we have a supplier in maybe Oklahoma. Yep. And another supplier in, let's say, Tampa. Now, this table will, in this table, you will input the number of the capacity of each supplier in each year. So let's say in 2017, the Mexico supplier can provide 100 units of the raw material. Oklahoma supplier maybe a 50, and a Tampa supplier 70. Same thing in next year, in 2018. And then last year, Mexico supplier goes bankrupt, and Oklahoma suppliers increase their production up to 100 units per year, and then Tampa supplier also increase their production to 100 units per year. Facilities, these are our manufacturing facilities. So let's say we have one in Detroit factory, and another one in Boston. Let's say the capacities of these facilities are 200 units, 200 units, then 300 units, and I'll just make them 200. There's 200, and then 2019 we shut down the Detroit factory for some reason, and we boost the production in the Boston factory to 300 units. And then markets, what is the product selling price? So let's say we sell the product at $40 per unit. And the market names, well, New York stores, yeah, we saw 2 stores in New York. So New York, United States, and then maybe Los Angeles, all the major cities in North America. So that's also some Canadian cities just for fun. Toronto, and maybe Montreal. And let's also specify the demand. So in New York stores, take 100 units, Los Angeles 100, Toronto 50, and Montreal 50. Same thing next year. 2019 things changed, so New York stores will take only 70 units, Los Angeles only 70 units, Toronto stores will take up to 150 units, and Montreal stores will take nil units. Okay. Finally, we'll specify the transportation cost. So material transportation will cost 50 cents per unit, and product transportation will cost 35 cents. That's all. Now we just need to solve. Once we click solve, the app sends the data along with the model file to the IBM Decision Optimization Cloud. As soon as done processing the data, calculating the distances between the suppliers and the factories and the markets, it will send the problem here. It's going to be solved, and then yep, here it is, and then it's back, and voila. Here is our supply chain. You have this slide bar here to control, to show the progression of the supply chain in every year. So this is 2017. Red circles are suppliers. Red lines are flow of material to factories. Red dots are, or red circles are, sorry, blue circles are factories, and green circles are markets. And as you can see, if you move the slider, the supply chain reconfigures itself. So this is the optimal configuration. If you click on, for example, the market, it tells you, okay, this is Los Angeles stores at a capacity of 100. You click on this blue thick line, it will tell you, oh, this is the Boston factory. It's a Los Angeles stores. Flow is 100 units. So in 2019, 100 units of toys are flowing from Boston to Los Angeles stores. And same goes with Toronto, 70 units. Montreal, well, 0 units. And you can also see the Mexico supplying around 50 units to Boston, but not supplying any to Detroit because, well, Detroit can get most of its raw materials from a closer supplier, which is in Oklahoma. But the Boston factory, remember, the Boston factory in 2019 had the capacity to 100, while the Detroit doesn't have any capacity actually, right? Had like 200. Oh, still 200 units. So yeah, that was one of the case studies. You can also go back and load more to find our case study saved here, Christmas Toys Inc. But there's also some other case studies I worked on before. So China import and export. You can see it's a company in China that sources raw material from India and sells them to the United States. Again, you can use the slide bar to has a different time horizon, but you can see how the supply chain reconfigures itself to maximize the profit of our company. Thanks for watching the video.